Yo, we should go to a room. I wanna go right here. Oh my god, I'm got here. You heard that, right? I'm got here.
Show yourself who we fuck the shit, don't you?
Well, you hear that, right? Like,
Yes, I hear. Yes, yo, yo, Khalil, I hear that.
Oh, I got something on there? Wait, find out, man.
Come on, grab something and let's push forward, gang.
Nigga, yo.
Come on.
Oh, God. Come on, bro. Come on. Wait. Yo, open that door.
What am I doing?
Yeah, yo, Gio, look. It don't look that far. Like, it probably just shut down. It don't look that old.